Are you having the green line on your phone screen there? The error? Well, let me help you. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix your green line on your phone screen. Now if you're getting the green line error there on your screen, then it might be due to the panel. If the panel is damaged or there is some glitch or bugs in the screen panel, then you'll get this issue. How you can fix it? Well, you can head into Play Store and you can search in for fix panel there, and you'll get this link that says that pixels test and fix, and you can see touchscreen repairs as well. Within these two apps you can use either of them. Install it and it'll ask you to conduct some test here. You're gonna conduct some test, and if there is any error that it detects, that which you'll have probably, then it'll go ahead and it'll ask you to start the fixing process. And once you go ahead through the process, it might take some time and you'll be able to fix it. So this way you can fix your green line on phone screen. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.